Ready to upgrade your kitchen? From smart toasters to high-tech food warmers, here are 10 amazing kitchen gadgets that save time, add convenience, and make cooking fun. Whether you love coffee, breakfast, or just smart cooking, these game-changing tools are a must-have. Stay tuned to see the most innovative picks. Let's dive in. Say goodbye to burnt toast with the Tenneco Toasty One Smart Toaster. Toasty One monitors bread state and adjusts heat automatically, ensuring perfect results every time. Choose a bread shade for each slot with a simple tap, or save a preferred toast profile for each family member. Toast exactly the way you like it, crunchy on the outside, yet moist and flavorful inside. Go from frozen to golden with ease, thanks to its intelligent heating system. More convenient, smarter, and tastier than the rest, this kitchen upgrade will make your family fall in love with breakfast again. Toast your way and enjoy the ultimate smart toasting experience. Enjoy smokeless indoor grilling with the Chefman Electric Indoor Grill. Its extra-large cooking surface lets you cook multiple foods at once, while no dangerous fumes make grilling safer. The dishwasher-safe non-stick grill top and water tray ensure effortless cleanup. The adjustable temperature knob lets you cook from warm to sear, perfect for burgers, steak, chicken, fish, and veggies. With no smoke, the water tray cools grease instantly, preventing sticking and smoke buildup. Cool touch handles and auto shut-off protection ensure safe use. Whether for a quick meal or a weekend barbecue, this indoor smokeless grill is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Tired of the hassle of slicing pineapples? The Zule Kitchen Pineapple Core and Slicer makes it effortless. Featuring triple reinforced stainless steel blades, it quickly cores pineapples while keeping the shell intact, delivering perfectly shaped rings in seconds. The included eye remover eliminates those pesky pineapple eyes with ease. Built with high-quality rust-proof stainless steel, this core is durable, dishwasher-safe, and designed for long-term use. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing wrist strain while making slicing a breeze. Ideal for both home cooks and professional chefs, this compact and portable gadget is a must-have for pineapple lovers. Upgrade your coffee and tea game with the Fellow Stag EKG Electric Gooseneck Kettle. Crafted from stainless steel, this sleek, space-saving kettle features a precision pour spout for controlled flow and a counterbalanced handle for a steady grip. With a 1200-watt quick heating element, it boils water fast and offers to-the-degree temperature control for perfect brewing. The LCD screen displays real-time temperature, and the built-in brew stopwatch helps time extractions. Keep water hot for up to 60 minutes with its hold function. Elevate your pour-over coffee or tea experience today. Upgrade your hygiene with the automatic soap dispenser. Featuring a built-in infrared sensor, it dispenses soap touch-free, reducing cross-contamination for a safer, mess-free experience. Designed with brushed aluminum, IPX4 waterproofing, and a leak-proof build, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Battery-powered for portable use anywhere, it operates without needing a power outlet. The easy fill switch and volume control make refilling hassle-free, while the 5 adjustable soap levels let you customize the perfect amount. With a non-drip spout, it prevents clogs and messy drips, making it ideal for kitchens, offices, bathrooms, and more. Make breakfast a delight with the non-stick pancake maker. Serve up to 14 perfect mini pancakes effortlessly, making family feasts more enjoyable. Just pour your favorite batter and let the machine do the rest. Its quick and user-friendly design ensures anyone can operate it with ease. Master pancake artistry with adjustable temperature control, allowing you to achieve anything from a delicate golden touch to rich caramelized edges. Its non-stick surface guarantees even cooking and makes cleanup a breeze. Perfect for kids, family gatherings, and special occasions, this mini Dutch pancake maker is a must-have for breakfast lovers. Create, share, and enjoy every single time. Keep your kitchen knives razor sharp with the Homely Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. Featuring a 3-stage sharpening system with 100% diamond abrasives, it efficiently sharpens, owns, and polishes blades to perfection. Its powerful motor, noise reduction design, and precision angle guides ensure safe and professional results every time. Compatible with a wide range of knives, including chef, santoku, butcher, and even pocket knives, this versatile sharpener is built for durability and long-term use. With a sleek, double-layer protected design, this is the ultimate tool to keep your knives in top condition effortlessly. Crack eggs effortlessly with the egg cracker tool. Designed for one-hand operation, it quickly opens raw or hard-boiled eggs without leaving shell pieces in your food. Made from durable plastic, metal, and alloy steel, this compact kitchen gadget takes up minimal space while offering maximum convenience. Its round blade shape ensures precise cracking, making it ideal for cooking and baking. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, allowing for easy cleanup after use. Upgrade your kitchen with this cute and practical egg opener, perfect for hassle-free egg cracking every time. Keep your meals warm and delicious with the food warming mat. Always ready when you are with effortless preparation. Its rollable, flexible, and durable food-grade silicone design makes storage easy. Elevated non-slip feet keep heat away while ensuring stability. The heat-sensitive, color-changing pattern provides a visual cue, and its thin yet powerful build delivers efficient warming. Child lock and 7 temperature levels with 1 to 4 hour auto shutoff offer safety and convenience. Rapid heating warms up when needed, and its waterproof, stain-proof, and oil-proof surface allows for effortless cleaning. Fits all your dining needs, making it an energy-efficient must-have for any home. Struggling with messy freezer storage? The Freeze Up Food Block Maker creates compact, stackable food blocks, making freezer organization effortless. Designed for quart-sized plastic bags, it holds 2 cups of leftovers, soups, and more. The vertical stand allows mess-free filling, while silicone bands expand for easy removal once frozen. Its thin block design saves space and ensures faster, safer defrosting. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, it's easy to clean. Just hand wash with mild soap. Say goodbye to cluttered freezers with this smart meal prep solution. That wraps up our list of 10 amazing kitchen gadgets. From smart toasters to pancake makers, these tools make cooking easier and more fun. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cool gadget reviews. See you in the next video.